Yeah, right, we're getting right into it. Short and sweet intro today. Got the Merc back after 4 fucking months. So yeah, we're just gonna enjoy the Sunday. Get out there, go for a hoon. Have some fun with the friends and fucking light up this bad boy.
You can't tell me without my permission. Hey, put that away, mate, or I'll break it.
Do you know that's actually illegal?
You're not allowed to be parked here.
Should we head down to fucking some fuel? White Tomo?
Yeah, sounds good.
Ooh.
Just like that, but silver.
Yeah. Feels good to be back in the Merc.
Holden was pretty onto it. He wanted a piece of that.
Yeah. Okay.
Sounds so insane.
I know. It's crazy.
Oh, I fucking love it.
What a beautiful thing God has created. I know. That is insane.
I hate this fucking gravel on the road though.
It's fucking shit, eh?
Made this car best be proud of themselves.
Thorsten Oslager. Yo, can the bro Jordan jump in your whip on the way back?
Got to have some new scenery every now and again.
Yeah, innit?
What happened, geese? I tell you what, those roads, I was rubbing all the time. Both of them? That is so loud!
Oh, I fucking love that thing. Oh, you're rubbing bad.
Yeah.
Come on, Zane, slow down.
Yeah, I'm tired. Look at it. Some of them corners, all I hear was ah!
You need to slow down, bro.
Dude, that thing is angry.
I thought you stacked it a couple times just because of the sound it makes. It's so insane.
That was great.
Yeah. If you jump out the front and get Zane or
Yeah, give me a pumpkin. Oh yeah!
sounds so good.
Yeah!
You put some different pulleys on it, mate.
Cars first thing I'm gonna do.
So,
Pulleys
yeah.
and intake. And it'll just wind.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go deaf after this. Fucking hell. I genuinely had to block my ears.
Oh, it's so loud.
Like, my ears hurting. Fuck me. Oh baby.
Was it loud?
Yours wasn't.
Fuck, that thing is crazy. I cannot get over that car, eh?
AMG?
Jesus.
Oh, the Merc is just evil, man.
Oh no. Fuck, that's sick as fuck. That looks so cool. Catch you later. Thanks for watching another video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Had lots of fun filming. Once again, leave a like, leave a comment, and let me know if you guys want to see any specific types of videos. Got the carcontent hop coming up, so I'm sure we'll be filming that. So yeah, lots more videos on the way. Stay tuned. Peace out.
Shit.